Welcome to Career Ready.ai. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of rating a mentee by completing an assessment. As a rater, your input is essential for providing insights into the mentee's development. We'll go through 5 simple steps, from signing up to submitting your completed assessment. Let's get started. To begin, check your email for an invitation to rate a specific mentee. The email will include a button to start the assessment. Click the button, and you'll be directed to the platform. Before you begin rating, it's important to carefully read the instructions provided. The guidance will help you understand how to approach each question and ensure that you rate the mentee accurately and fairly. Once you're ready, start the assessment by filling out the questionnaire. Go through each question and rate the mentee based on your observations and understanding of their performance. Make sure to take your time and be as accurate as possible. In addition to ratings, you'll also be prompted to provide qualitative feedback. This step is crucial as it allows you to offer specific comments or suggestions that support the mentee's growth. Thoughtful feedback can give them a better understanding of their strengths and areas for improvement. After completing all the questions and feedback, click the Submit button to finalize and send in your assessment.